me share with you this simple trick that is going to help the oil not to splash on you whenever you are frying fish. I have mackerel fish which I already go ahead and clean them. I'll go ahead and add the seasoning. This is a combination of onion powder and garlic powder. I'll go ahead and sprinkle a good reasonable amount on the fish, and I will also add some salt, and I'll go ahead and massage it very well. I have a video on how you can clean your fish. I'll put the link in the comment section. If you're interested, you can check it out. Once I rub the seasoning into the fish very well, I'll go ahead and set them aside and allow to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the fish is still marinating, I'll go ahead and preheat the oil, and at this point the oil is already hot. I just go ahead and added one onion for more flavor. Once I add the onion, I go ahead and add the fish gently. As soon as I add the fish, I go ahead and cover the pan. Covering the pan is going to help the fish not to splash on you. While the fish is splashing, it's going to splash on the cover, alright? I'm sorry for that, I cannot help it. Before you open the pan, go ahead and reduce the heat to the lowest and wait for at least 5 seconds. Within that 5 seconds, the bubbling, the splashing is going to go down. At that point, you can go ahead and open the pan and flip the fish to the other side. Most of you already know that I don't like to fry fish or chicken or beef. Anything fry, count me out. But this particular one is an emergency. I have no option than to fry it. I have a video on how you can use oven to fry up your fish. The link will be in the comment section or at the end of this video. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. As I'm flipping the fish to the other side, the one that are perfectly fried, I just go ahead and remove it and place it on a paper towel. I increase the heat to the highest again, and I cover the pan and allow the other side to fry as well. And at this stage, our fish is perfectly fried. You guys, Gary Jebu is calling somebody's name at this stage. You guys can see the fish is perfectly fried and it tastes absolutely delicious. Trust me, guys. Nothing splash, nothing scatter, nothing else up. Everything is intact. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.